Hey everyone! Welcome back to Telugufactory. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of chewing gum manufacturing. Ever wondered how your favorite gum is made? Let's find out. Come with me. First, the gum base arrives at the factory in large blocks. These blocks are shredded into smaller pieces to make melting easier. Next, the melted gum base is transferred to a mixing machine. Here we add sweeteners, softeners, and flavorings. Everything is mixed thoroughly to ensure even distribution of flavors and texture. This process can take several hours. The combined mixture is then kneaded to achieve the perfect chewy consistency. Once the gum is ready, it's extruded into long strips or sheets. The strips are then rolled to the desired thickness and scored into individual pieces. The scored gum is cooled on a conveyor belt to harden slightly. Some types of gum undergo a curing process to allow flavors to mature and the texture to stabilize. The cooled and cured gum is then cut into the desired shapes and sizes. For unique shapes, additional shaping and molding processes are used. Some gum pieces are coated with a layer of sugar or sweetener mixture to enhance flavor and texture. After coating, the gum pieces are polished to give them a shiny, appealing appearance. The finished gum is then transported to the packaging area, where automated lines wrap the gum in individual wrappers, or place it into blister packs, bottles, or pouches. The packages are sealed to maintain freshness and labeled with all the necessary information. Throughout the process, quality control checks ensure the gum meets the required standards for taste, texture, and appearance. Finally, the gum is boxed and prepared for shipment to retailers around the world. And there you have it, the journey of chewing gum from raw materials to the final packaged product. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Telugufactory, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.